I don't have to talk.
Yeah. It was swollen and everything, but it was so worth it.
Then you gotta take it to the hospital, you gotta sit there with them.
Getting the crap out of my boobs.
Luckily our friends are alcoholics. To my point, like we went to Cogburns on the Tuesday and he wasn't there. Like, you just gotta be in a positive mood, otherwise if you're in a negative mood.
I'm gonna do any type of drugs, I wanna be at home.
Cocaine that lasts.
Cocaine? Why do you say it like that? Want to, that's what I want to do.
Instead of doing cocaine every 20 minutes.
No, I want to go to a rave, do it at home.
Go to a party.
No.
Go to talk to you. You get it at a church a while that's stable.
You just do it by at a rave or a club and I want to dance. I'll try shrooms, but I want to be at home too.
Regrit your teeth and shit. Make like a beer bong funnel in a tube so I can just pee into the river. I don't know what this is, but it looks like underwater weed.
It looks really weird.
Just rowing itself out. Oh,
yeah, you were fucked.
On the river, I was like, why do you bring this now? Like, it's gonna melt in the fucking...
When Jason was trying to get in, like hitting him.
It's better with
Ooh.
when
I like doing
It is kind of convenient that I can take a break.
I feel like go hard and...
So he's like, yeah, I bet.
No. I've been keeping my eye on it. That's what I was saying. What the fuck is that?
The Toy Story 4.
I am so excited about our new tent. God. Well, that was Brandon, right? But Brittany was quiet. It was a fun trip because I was high, but really good. It was really cool because you can like coyotes or something.
One where the horse snapped up into the road. That's the second horse that's been died. And there was chiropractors.